In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Steam Cloud Saves. By the end, you'll have your game's cloud saves downloaded to your computer and Steam Cloud Syncing turned on so future progress updates automatically. First, open Steam. On the screen recording, launch the Steam desktop app and wait for the home view to load. Next, go to Library. Click Library at the top, then locate the game you want to restore from Steam Cloud in the left sidebar. Click the game to open its details page. Now, launch the game. Click the play button. Steam will check for any cloud saves associated with this title. If you see a prompt about Steam Cloud, select Download from Steam Cloud. This option pulls your saves from Steam's servers to your local machine. If you've played on another computer recently, this ensures you get that latest progress. Be aware that choosing Download from Steam Cloud can replace any different local save files on this device. If your goal is to use the version stored online, go ahead and confirm the download. Steam will complete the sync before the game finishes launching. If the prompt doesn't appear, it usually means your local files and cloud files already match, or Steam has already synced them automatically. Next, enable Cloud Sync. This ensures your saves continue to backup and auto-download on this PC in the future, preventing conflicts. Right-click the game in your library and choose Properties. You can do this from the left sidebar list or from the game's details page by right-clicking the title. Go to the General section. In the Properties window, click General on the left so you can see the basic settings for this game. Turn on Steam Clouds. Find the option labeled Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud for game name and switch it on. If it was already on, you're good. If you just turned it on, Steam will begin syncing this game's save files in the background. Leave the window open for a moment if you want to watch the status, or close it once the toggle is enabled. There's no risk to enabling this. It simply keeps your saves backed up and available to download on any computer where you sign into Steam. At this point, your cloud saves have been downloaded, and the game is set to keep syncing with Steam Cloud. If you launched the game earlier, you can return to it now and load your progress. If you closed it, you can click Play again. Steam will automatically use the cloud-synced files you just enabled. Going forward, whenever you install or launch this game on a new device, Steam will download the same saves as long as Steam Cloud is turned on for that game. Your Steam Cloud saves are now downloaded, and Steam Cloud syncing is enabled and working for this title. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.